Guess it's too late for me to register.
Ho ho. Aduh. Ngomong.
Imagine if the man I met is the only living Greyhand, and the rest are cardboard.
Don Newsom. A manifesto for the future. Join us. See? This is some like a cult something. Echo live.
The Greyhands want to end this season.
Begin your political education. Okay, I'm gonna grab it. Please calm down. Take a water bottle. Yang Life is Strange ya. Pacific Drive aku nggak main. Maksudnya aku nggak tahu itu. Oh, this is bag of chips. See, something about this. Aduh, propaganda. That's the right word. See, everyone was afraid of the changing season, but this community kayak, yeah.
They say they're going to build the next season. How?
Exactly. Bro, I don't believe this community. Gue udah bilang kan.
Greyhands are the future in all its uncertainty. The good and the bad, the hope and fear of progress. The loneliness of this season will be left behind. A collective project is coming.
I felt the fear of progress, actually. Oh my god. Bro. Lo tau gak sih kayak, jujur ya, gue takut ngomongin tiba-tiba di ban. Kayak pemerintahan anjir. Kayak tiba-tiba gue ditembak sekarang. Mama aku takut. Door, birokrat. Right, something janggal banget. Look at this. Oh my god. A blank canvas for your dreams. Okay, a community for the full human being. Not the worker, not the parent, not the child. The full human being. Okay. Okay, graphic
it's hard
design.
to imagine something new, a new way of living. But they're trying.
Low elevation is dangerous. Okay.
The elder also said low places are dangerous.
Okay, so like
The
no.
city is high up like my village.
That
Maybe it is safer.
gambar pertama no elders gak sih? Nggak tahu sih gambar apa. Oh, crazy. Sas banget anjir ini.
They had to leave so much behind.
Even apel aja nggak boleh anjir. No cows. Rat flags. I know right. Nggak boleh bawa kursi, lu bayangin. Nggak boleh bawa kursi itu gimana? Bro, at this point, those people are dead. Let's read. Thank you for helping my daughter find her journal. We were so stressed. One of our people named Soul really took the time to answer all the questions my kids had. He was more patient with them than I am. Thank you for helping an old person like me carry all my heavy luggage. I'd like to be a Greyhound when I grow up so I can help people.
The Greyhands seem to care what people think about them.
The Grey Hand needs validation from people. It's a dark movement. I don't believe them. No chair, exactly. Masa nggak boleh bawa chairs? Even cows. Crazy. Okay, wait. So rat black, man. It should be rat hands, not gray hands. My god. Girl. Lu jangan. Wait. Okay. This one we haven't really.
The elder warned me about valleys.
Exactly.
She said they were dangerous. I feel a dulcet tension in the air. I enter to see the moment between seasons.
Everything's so weird at this point, bro. Oh no. Halo Fahmi. Alhamdulillah baik. Ini tadi kita udah dan kita harus ke ini kan? Wait, stop. Kita harus ke dig site kan? I think we should go to the bridge first, because we have to go to the dig site. We need something from there. And dari telepon, remember? This one, ya? Yeah? Mingkem kali ya ih. Mi, lu kan nama gue waktu kecil juga gak bisa pernah mingkem kalau lagi serius. Now, where do we go? We're going to the left, ya? Yeah? We're going to the left instead, okay. Game apa cek? Game ini. Game apa? This one ya? Is it this one? Yeah, I think this one. Yeah. No trespassing. Well, I don't care.
Looks like there's no one around anymore to enforce this.
Exactly. Ya, sana keluar. Tadi kita harus nyari barrels with the sticker. What? Do you or someone you know suffer from daytime visions? Please contact us. Okay.
I wish Pate could call this hotline to talk about his heavy dream.
Girl. Do you like Pate? Pate itu best friend-nya BTW guys.
For every working truck or bicycle, there is always a pile of broken ones. raided to scrape together just enough parts to get one working.
Seasons. The game's called Seasons. Okay, I think we need to like go up there nggak sih? No entry well. Fuck that shit. Restricted area. Okay, we're entering there, right?
There are a lot of these signs.
Ya kan?
They must
Sas.
really want to keep people out of this area.
Sama sepeda kita, biar GG. Okay, we're in the dig site. Tuh. So we need to find something yang tadi ditelepon sama orangnya. It barrels with fruit sticker. Oh my god, what's going on? Wait, what? What was it? Is there something? Suara burung. What?
No technology has improved on the bird. It can fly, sing, and surveil
Day
your
Zero
neighbors.
itu pas nanti yang maps yang kita lagi lampauin sekarang tuh kena banjir. Kan tadi kenapa orang-orang yang di sini pada nggak ada? Karena dia udah dievakuasi karena apa namanya? Belum lagi. Udah ada kayak disuruh, udah ada disuruh apa sih ngomong sih gue? Udah ada warning kalau zona ini udah gak nyaman. Jadi mereka udah pada dievakuasi, makanya nggak ada orang di sini. Tapi kita as adventurer, kita kan namanya orangnya FOMO dan kepo ya. Makanya sama petugasnya kita dibolehin. Cuman nanti habis midnight kita harus ngumpul di tempat assembly site tadi yang ada gambar itu ya. Here we go here, down there. Nyungsep. Woi. Kita nggak usah ke situ. Zona nyaman. Boleh tiba-tiba zona nyaman. Oh my god. Now where do we go? What? Oh ya Allah, gue kira ditutup anjir. Okay. Squeeze through.
I found a dig site that is fenced off from view. What were they doing here? A greyhound said he left his materials behind. It should be somewhere around here.
Lagu apa? Halo. Ini aja lah ya. The day we packed the last crate, we were sweaty and exhausted, and Jonah says the real work begins after day 0. Haha!
They look relieved to have finished their work.
Something is not right. The apartments are now open. Girl.
The work at the dig site has something to do with day 0.
Site safety, you are entering a quiet zone. Dangerous, psychoactive mineral present. Handle with care. Do not speak or sing or whistle near the mineral. Okay. What?
This is the kind of brain trouble my mom warned me about.
Nggak boleh nyanyi. John is my father's name. Oh my god. Om ngapain om? Cannot read. That local guy who died studying Harpic. I put his notebook back where we took it in the huge tree near the lady's farm. We copied everything out of it and hoped that stopped the kid from trying to sneak to with it.
There's a big tray with a researcher's notebook inside it somewhere.
What the fuck is going on? What? What is going on? What? Wedding rings?
Memories and emotions condensed into a mineral.
Huh? Purple mineral?
I wonder what this channel is for. They must have already shipped out all the Harpic they need.
I know Philip. Bro, what's going on?
What do they need all this Harpic for?
Exactly. So sus. Open. Pick up.
I wonder what's on this reel. What is day 0?
Exactly, what is day 0?
Maybe I can find out more about it.
Tadi dibilang buat ini, the day when the flood comes. What is going on? Ya kan? Ya kan? Aku pun juga bingung. Oh my god, please don't die. Yang jatuh? Oh, nggak bisa. Oh my god. Girl. Big prayer? Secret. Big prayer. Iya, lo mau buat apa ininya? Komposisinya gimana? Big prayer.
They dug up all that Harpic in order to conduct some sort of prayer on day 0.
Oh, it's for... I thought it was like salah satu komposisinya. What is this? Wait.
I've recreated the same setup as the prayer
Oh, itu
statues
cairannya
right
guys
here
yang
in my
purple
workshop.
Harpic.
I set up a singing bowl so I can verify the pattern that will form in the water. And some Harpic, of course. Each god seems to correspond to a resonating frequency. And when this vibration acts on the Harpic, we get the psychoactive response. Going to give it a try here.
What the fuck? What
I
happened?
remember watching my dad make shadow puppets on the wall. Felt strange because I could see how it was done. I could see the trick of it, but it still felt kind of magical.
Wait, so like,
It worked.
what is happening?
I do feel the more I do this, the more tired and it feels like it takes me longer to return to the present. But now I have some control. I face the question of how this mineral affects the soil. I still have a lot of work to do. That's all for today.
A mineral that can affect the mind. The Grey Hands present one side to the public, and another is hidden behind metal fences. There is no one to oppose them. There is only my record of what they did here.
Bro, I don't know what the fuck happened. But like, they literally got something under their hands. Oh my god. Can we go? Kita kan harus nyari barrels with the fruit stickers. What?
The memories of the owner now turned into a beautiful mineral.
Black banget anjir. Fotonya nggak di zoom. Udah kan nggak ada lagi. Gak usah naik anjir. Gak usah naik. Muter-muter tuh 360 tuh. Lihat gak? Masih bisa deh. Lah. Apa sih? Anjir gak bisa naik. Nah. Ada apa-apa kan? Terima kasih Yogi. Wait, so like dig side. Play the Greyhound
we
Trail.
do to the
Oh, yeah.
land eventually makes its way into our blood and our brains. This can define a season.
Kita kayak lagi naro-naro crime scene aja. Walah, nggak muat. Main deh tadi. Playnya di mana tapi ya? Because like we've checked everything. See? Kok jungkrik, Mbak? Wow. Oh my god, again? Danger? Oh my god.
The info sign earlier said they are dangerous in large numbers. I have a pendant though.
Yeah, but kita nggak tahu ya itu bisa melindungi secara 100% apa enggak. Oh my god, ini kuburan ya? Oh!
Sometimes recording, I feel like a vulture, feasting on a melancholic corpse. Never mind, forget this.
Kecil banget anjir, gak gua zoom. Nah. Sampai keturunan bezir. Iya emang kadang kayak kalau yang buat nontonnya bagi yang nontonin emang bikin ngantuk calming. Cuman kalau gue sebagai yang main, gue penasaran anjir kayak. Oh my god, we're gonna hear some voices. Oh my god. Oh. What the
In Cairo, we have a statue to remember Dr. Fumio. But this statue is meant to be worshipped.
What the You guys seeing this? Oh my god! Wait. And if we do this,
This field was absolutely full of memories. I'm glad I had my pendant, otherwise it would have been overwhelming.
oh my god, what do we do, guys? I would like to read my memory book again without knowing what happened. I know it's tedious, but if you could remove my memories of it, I give an offering. Oof. Memories of the war, I don't need them anymore. I don't need, they're yours. Yo, lo dap. Siap dap. What? What I saw by the light of the moon that battered in the water. I want to forget it. I want this one.
These slips are prayers to this god for forgetting things. People prayed here. Who did they pray to?
The god of forgetting. Oh, where is it? I don't know what the fuck happened, but I'm not liking this. Soalnya serem. Eh.
This is a season when memories echo on and on and on and on. Will the echoes fade away, or will they be cut off abruptly?
Insane. Nah. So like, ini kok belum ya? Oh, kita belum ini tadi ya. Channel. It requires. kita balik lagi. Eh, iya, tapi playbacknya di mana ya? Wait, hold on a second. Wait, ooh. What?
There's something beautiful about the way the minerals catch the light.
Game namanya Seasons. Yang tadi tempat. Oh emang ya? Berarti kita harus balik lagi ya? Tentang discover about, I would say, jujur, yang aku tahu pokoknya adventure aja. Jadi kita tuh nyari tahu dunia luar dengan ngerekam suara sama foto buat jurnal kita. Cuman kayak ada something about mystery. Ini tuh mana sih? Dia. What the fuck is going on? Sorry about that. Oh. May you rest the year of the deep.
The year of the den? Is that how they recorded years in the olden days?
Bro, it's so noisy in here. Gimana? Ini tuh di mana ya yang ini ya? Salah. Ini kenapa ada di sini, bujur? Udah berantakan, biarin. Maksud gue tuh yang ini loh. Ini ternyata di mana? Kalau muka gue pelangak-pelangak banget anjir. Oh my god, is that a monkey? Monkey!
I'm sure these critters will escape the valley before the flood.
Oh my god, what are they? A monkey! Let's go! We have monkey, cows, and... what else? Kita belum lihat ayam ya. Oh my god, a goat. A goat! Kita dari mana sih anjir, kok gue jadi bingung. Ah! Wait. Sure. Coba mau periksa. Weh! Udah dig site tadi ya, ulangnya. Melenceng dia. Nah. Emang iya? Kuping gue pulang gak? Ngeng. Tadi tuh kayaknya disuruh channel deh. Channel 63. Ah,
The necessity of day zero is not just psychological, it's ecological. Because there is a compounding effect to these minerals and their psychological effect. And we see this in Tiang Valley. There is a memory and a memory of a memory and a memory of a memory of a memory. This echo effect, this recursive nature is the problem. As this cycles through the ecosystem, it creates points of pressure where things bleed, and soil and human minds are contaminated. Some will say, what's a few daytime visions? But it is an increasing risk, an increasing danger. Left alone, the haunted quality of this season will only get worse. The necessity of day zero is also to... This particular action will neutralize this phenomenon at its source. This is not an endless cycle. We are putting an end to this psychoactive material, and we are opening up space for something new.
How do they plan to remove the haunted quality of this season?
The necessity of day zero is not just psychological, it's ecological. Because there is a compounding effect to these minerals and their psychological.
oh, wait. Tadi kita tuh nemuin day zero tuh di mana ya? Dan day zero tadi kita nemuin di mana ya, guys?
I'm not sure I can go through that again.
Bukannya harusnya guys. Harusnya nih reel ini bisa dipakai anjir. Nih. Soalnya di sini kan dibilang nih, I wonder if I could play that reel I found gitu. Tapi harusnya di bawah, yang pertama kali banget itu. Di yang assemble point itu. Pas sini nggak ada apa-apa. Tuh, ini kan yang tadi. There's nothing in here. Tuh. Malah. Ini loh, yang tadi kan kita itu kan ada recorder yang tadi audio recordernya, ya kan? Terus di sini kan, nih, ini kan kita dapetin ini important day zero. Oh, never mind ya, we have to go back like down there. Never mind, sorry, gue setengah sadar main game. Sedikit nggak sepeda kita. Jadi kita tuh harus harus apa ya? Harus sabar. Weh. Kita udah ke situ belum? Nah ini mah iya tadi kita. Ya kita keluar dulu. Kita balik lagi. Yeah, it's a video reel. I forgot. Yes, yes. We checked here. Let's just go back. Kan kita ada di sana tadi. Agak-agak kayak motor GP dikit. Game apa kak? Game Seasons namanya, Seasons. Tadi kan kita udah di bunga kan udah di sana. Let's just like move around. Wait. Kayak sakral, enggak sakral. An Asian tree. Oh, what's this? Ah, ini yang tadi di... My opinion, we should learn from his mistakes. Woo!
The Grey Hands have a lot of this stuff now,
Makasih Radit Rahman.
for better or for worse.
Damn, this is cozy. What is it? To Matiora.
The bird stole a small trinket. I left the bird its prize, but maybe I can learn more about the locket. The tree looks healthy. The ritual must have worked.
May the, what? I cannot read. May the bird memories and emotion of the valley heal this tree. Is that a bucket? Alah, alah.
Home to a thieving bird. The tree looks diseased in this painting.
Kalian merasa ngantuk kah dengan game ini? Does it make you feel sleepy? Gak bisa kesana ya, cara turun gimana ya? Naik sepeda bisa? Oh bisa, anjir. Sepedanya akan kubawa kemana-mana. Thank you, Yudhishthira, for giving me a company. Ini kebayang kalau misalkan nggak ada yang kayak limited ininya, ini dijebur satu-satu. Wait, where are we right now? Okay. Ketarik. Nyemplung. So like maybe we go here first. Wait, the bike. Don't leave the bike behind. What's that? Oh, nothing. Okay. Moing. Let's lift the bike here. Ooh. Fruit farm. What? Oh my god, is that a person? Oh my god, is that a person?
Oh, no, no, no. You
What?
said we had until midnight.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm not ready to leave.
Wait, gue ketelat bentar ya. Give me 5 minutes. Hello. Sorry. Apa lama?
Look at all this. Wait a minute. A cute outfit, a bicycle.
Kok bicycle tadi warna merah?
You're not a greyhound.
Yeah.
What a relief. I just assumed because who else would be? What are you doing here?
Look at it setting the valley. I mean, that's what we do, right? Greyhound could not be this stylish. I mean, look at us, bro. Look at that. The blue sweater with the white long shirt and the rat belt and like the jeans, and our bag, our like leather brown bag. Yeah. And look at our haircut. Got them. Cool glasses as well. But yeah, I think we are gonna pick. I'm recording and studying the valley. I mean, that's what we do, right? That's what we told the greyhound.
You're really cutting it close. I guess I'm doing research here on the lawn. I'm studying my own life. Welcome to Tiang Valley. You should have been here a week ago when the evacuation started. Almost everyone is gone now.
Not you, though. Almost everyone?
My son and I are still here. There's a few old people left too. You might come across them. Hopefully everyone will leave the valley tonight. We're going to live in the city, in a little apartment.
See, something fishy about the apartment.
Look,
See, start your new life in the Radiant City. What? So
see how
fishy.
they put the dimensions on the back?
What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? Floor 8, Unit 9. Are you telling me this is a floor plan? Ini denahnya. Ini denahnya. Oh my god. Good. Exactly, Yudhishthira. Same. I mean, lihat bagus. We have cows in here.
I recreated our future apartment here, on the lawn.
Oh my god.
This is the space we have to work with. I'm trying to really imagine what it'll be like. We're going from a big farm to one room,
Exactly. Exactly, man.
and we need to be packed by tonight.
The downgrade.
I already packed for myself and my son, but my husband Yuri is a little harder to pack for because he passed away recently,
Sorry.
and I can't bring all his things. It's not realistic. His stuff is still... It's all here.
Yeah.
It's okay. You said you're here to study the valley? My Yuri was doing the same thing.
Ooh.
We can do this.
Yes.
Just need to decide. These are Yuri's books. They're pretty heavy. This is an old religious book, The Prism of Yesterday. He didn't like to talk about his faith. I haven't read it much. Maybe there's a part of him in these pages.
See?
A part I never understood. That I could... Maybe he would want me to keep this one. But I don't know. It just doesn't mean much to me.
Then don't.
Yuri found this old tourist guide to the valley before we moved here.
This. You could keep this. Karena kan kita mau pindah juga. Maybe. Just for like remembering the old times.
He was so excited, but this guide is really out of date.
Alhamdulillah.
It's from way before the war. There's something optimistic about the colors they used.
Yeah. See, everything changed after the war.
Yuri
Of
really
the
wanted
war.
to take a trip to the archipelago together. We prepared for it a lot. Even taught ourselves a bit of the language from this book. But we never made the trip. It was always going to be soon, but it never happened. Seems like the kind of thing no one does anymore. Which should I take with me?
The Dean Valley, of course.
We have a special feeling for the season just before us. The one our parents grew up in. It's like it was right there. But we missed it. We know there were horrors, but somehow everyone seems innocent.
Yes, I'll take it. Yes, right?
I
That's
suppose
true.
I'll be leaving the other two behind. I know they're heavy, but would you want to take one with you?
Ooh. Should we? Should we not? I forgot. I mean, the Azan language book seems so heavy, but I Tapi kayak lebih interesting itu kan ketimbang the religious text. Is it not? I mean, I'm not really interested in both actually. Tapi kayak B aja gak sih buku lainnya, si dua buku itu. Maybe we could like take another stuff. What do you think? Okay, the religious text it is. I don't know why.
Maybe it can teach you something. If you can get through it.
That's some big ass book. Okay. That's the bathroom. Ah, the paintings. Oh my god. It's gonna be so hard to choose one.
Yuri learned to paint from our neighbor, Matiora.
Matiora, di yang tadi kita temuin kalung ya. Wait. Yeah, yang di the magical tree.
He painted all 3 of these. This is a self-portrait he did. Kind of intense, right? He
Yeah.
was more handsome than that. I wish he could have seen himself the way I saw him, you know?
Where you fell in love.
He was really lovely. Just occasional dark moods from his work. This is his portrait of me. We got into a fight over it. What's that supposed to mean? You just splatter some paint on the canvas and put my name on it? He said it was my essence. I don't know. Do you think it looks like me?
Who are we to judge?
He painted this for Kochi. Some kind of private joke between the two of them. I don't get it. They were both interested in the war and how it ended. I'm not. I just pray nothing like that will ever happen again. Which painting should I take with me?
Okay, since like the husband passed away and you know the person is not there anymore, so maybe as the time goes by they start forgetting, you know, the surface of his face, maybe the looks of his face, maybe. So I'm choosing his self-portrait instead, because when you do self-portrait you see yourself, right? I don't know, kayak menurut gue tuh kayak I don't find the right words to explain it, tapi kayak gitu.
Yes, you're right. Himself from his own eyes. Something I could never see without this painting. All right, this is going well.
Yeah,
But I feel like I'm forgetting something. Or someone.
your son.
The demon of shame and mourning.
What?
How could I have forgotten? Now, where did I put him?
PC, game PC.
We need to bring the demon of shame and mourning.
Okay.
When someone dies and you're in mourning,
Yes.
you're supposed to keep the demon in sight at all times. He's supposed to remind you of your regrets. It's a religious thing.
Okay. Ah. Sebenarnya gue suka tahu voice overnya karakter kita. Cuman dia nggak ngomong anjir. Prismatic crown.
Our old cart broke. I overloaded it. So I had to use the wheels of his bicycle.
Ah.
Now he's so mad he won't say a word.
I too would be mad. Can we portray him? What is this?
I've packed my essential clothes. I don't know what to do with these.
Ooh.
This was Yuri's best suit. Maybe when Kochi grows up, it'll fit him. That's a
Yes.
long time away, though. My island dress. I made this for our trip to the islands, the trip we never took. It was based on a photo of a seaside Azan dance. The hours I spent on this. These are some of Yuri's clothes from when he was a kid. I thought Kochi could wear them, but he says they're itchy. So what's the use? But to throw them away, he was a little boy. He would put these clothes and go to school. He grew up. Oh, God, this hurts a little. Okay.
I would say pack the fancy suit, right? Karena kan bisa dipakai buat anak ya.
Yes, of course we'll bring this. I should bring anything that helps Kochi remember his dad. Let's see how this is going so far. We'll remember Yuri's excitement coming to the valley. Kochi will be so proud to wear this suit someday. I'll remember how Yuri saw himself. I think we're almost there. Let's just look a little more.
Okay, there's more. Where? What's this?
I went through all our old photos, trying to see what I might be forgetting. I love that view. Have you been up there? By the entrance to the shrine?
Have we been there before? I think we did there. Maybe not. Have we? Maybe not.
You really should go see it when it opens. It's just across the river and up the hill. The doors to the shrine open when the sun goes down. The monk is still in there. I hope he'll evacuate. That's Matiora. She lives east of here, out in the woods by the river. She said she'll evacuate, but she's still here.
But we went there.
It
And
makes
I-
me nervous,
What was
but
there?
I can't complain. We're still here too.
The water. Is it too much?
That's our Yuri. He worked on the trees, trying to cure them, but he got sick. He's buried up in the cemetery near here. We'll have to leave him behind. No choice on that. The past is such a heavy dream, and I never remember my dreams. But when I wake up, there's a cloud of feelings the dream left behind. Then the day begins. I move around, and that trace disappears. I wonder if our memories of the valley will drift away like that.
Hold on to the present.
Enough of these old photos. We still have work to do.
Anyways. There's a goat down there. Black and white goat. I think after this one. Wait, hold up. After this, I think we're gonna end the live stream here, ya nggak sih? It's kinda
Yuri
late.
built these tools to study the valley.
I'm kinda tired.
They were his life's work, and they took his life away, too. So what do I do with them? You can't buy tools like these. He made them.
Yes.
My husband didn't insult God, but maybe he stepped on his toe, and his life went out of him. There's the skin of our body that keeps us together, but there's also the skin of our minds. The skin of your mind can pop like a bubble, and everything that makes you yourself will come pouring out, and the earth will devour it eagerly, the way wind fills a vacuum. They might be incredibly valuable to a scientist on the other side of the world, I don't know. I also hate them. I get you're a curious soul, but I forbid you from using them.
Agak enak nanya tapi kepo.
I don't care, but
Jujur.
he did. He gave his life trying to understand this world. I can't keep these tools, and I can't throw them away. There's even more of them, bigger ones, out at his work shed. Okay, I'm gonna turn away now. I want you to take them or throw them away. I don't want to know.
Might be useful for the future.
All right,
Because
this is
we're
it.
on adventure. Huh? What was that? That wasn't our fault.
Oh. I killed him.
Well, girl! No, you did not.
The demon of shame and mourning. What was I thinking bringing it along? What an awful tradition. Kochi,
Girl, you need sleep at this point.
you still want to take a final tour of the valley? Let's get those wheels back where they belong.
What is that? Oh. Habis itu lupa deh anaknya dibawa pas evacuate.
I know what I'll carry with me. It's something I couldn't leave behind if I tried. It couldn't be crushed, like the demon. It's too many layers deep. I'll carry the part of me that's gone. That's missing. But there's so much life left that flowers grow along its edges. Something like that.
Yeah, I mean, you literally leave everything behind. It's hard though. It's not the objects that you're missing, it's the scenery and the emotions that you went through di sini, di tempat itu.
I'm glad you came to Tiang Valley today. Thank you for being there for me.
Oh, I'm so nice.
I didn't realize how much I needed a stranger's ear.
Sometimes a stranger could be a good person.
Now, there's no rush, but as you try to wrap your mind around this place, feel free to come ask me questions. I'll be right here until night comes.
Emotional damage.
We build our lives out of what we leave behind as much as from what we carry with us.
I don't know, man. Something about moving so hard, yeah, it's something that you have to do at the end of the day. Because if you stay, you might never know what will happen in the future. Right? It's really hard to do, but it's a normal thing to do. Saya taruh sini. Oh my god, I'm so bad at this. Not very aesthetic. Iya kan? I love the journal thing as well. See? This is nice. I mean, look at the graphic as well. It's nice. Alright. Anyway. I might have to end this live di sini. Because I'm actually pretty tired after my first day at the my new job. So my body hasn't adjusted yet, and I'm gonna work again tomorrow, so I need to rest. So are all of you. Kita main lagi kapan ya? Katanya tuh di minggu ini tuh ada tanggal merah ya. Mana tanggal merah guys? Di tanggal minggu ini, di minggu ini. Kalau ada, we could actually play. Kamis Jumat libur, then we're gonna play on Wednesday night. Is that okay? Bisa kita libur dulu sedikit, oke? Okay? Tapi kalau tiba-tiba gue pengen main lagi, I'll tell you guys on the Discord. But I think I'm gonna play again this week. Antara besok malam atau Rabu malam, because Kamis Jumat libur, jadi bisa begadang gitu. Kalau capek kita bisa streaming siang gitu. Oke. Terima kasih yang sudah menemani saya. Maaf kalau misalkan saya bawel apa boring or something, but I literally enjoy this game so much, and I hope you guys too. I love the game actually. It's so nice. It feels nice. Alright. Makasih guys. Kita exit.
Yudhistira baru saja memberikan 10.000. Thank you for the stream.
Terima kasih Yudhistira. Kaget. Ini notifnya gede banget soalnya di gue. Oke deh kalau kayak gitu. Kita exit game. Hilang. Oke. Terima kasih Yudhistira for keeping me company. That was very nice of you. Everyone too. Oke, kita insya Allah besok atau nggak Rabu. Oke. Nanti saya kabari di Discord. Bye bye. Have a good night.